I am Julie Bluebus. I am a family member of a company out of Omaha, Nebraska called J.P Cooke Company. We specialize in rubber stamps, engraving, any type of marking products. I would say on an average day, we can get up to 500 orders. It's a job of details, and it's a bunch of tiny little transactions that end up being a whole company at the end of the day. Our files were huge, and then they would get corrupt. I think the last corruption had me working for 36 hours straight trying to correct it. And it was just kind of like Groundhog's Day of misery over and over again. Every time our file would reach a certain level, we needed to make a change. And we needed something very customized and very unique, something that was cloud-based. And so my QuickBooks specialist kept talking about this guy named Marwan and this company named Method.
Hi, I'm Marwan Dajani. I'm the founder of Alef Team Business Solutions. I help thousands of small businesses customize a method and build and engineer unique workflows for their businesses. Julie was asking me what's the best way to take the heavy lifting out of QuickBooks. Immediately, Method being the best sync on the market, it just made sense to kind of integrate everything into Method.
So our hesitation was, being that our file was so large, that moving over into Method that it would be smooth.
Moving from desktop to online, you do certainly lose some features that your company relies on. Sales orders, for example, and they rely on sales orders a lot. How would we have hosted it and continued to move it along the pipeline or move it along the workflow that J.P. Cooke uses? Method becomes a no-brainer. It's really the only solution out there that could help us there.
We ended up moving to QuickBooks Online first for our accounting side, and then slowly integrating the rest of the company into Method. Method has been a great product to work with for our company. The workflow has been smoother. It's just become a lot more automated. It's taken a lot of worries about the day-to-day off my plate. As far as transitions within operating systems go, it's been very seamless.